Hey guys, how you doing? Alright, welcome to my kitchen. Alright, hey guys, guess what? Today, I'm gonna make, guess what? Linguine Carbonara. Alright guys, Linguine Carbonara. That's it. That's what I need to do this good dish. Alright, so let's go. Don't be scared, guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna start with my pasta, alright? My linguine pasta. Alright, my water it's boiling already. Alright? My water is boiling already, you guys can see that. Right? So I'm gonna put my pasta there. Alright? And then okay, very good. Bingo! Alright. Alright, let me put this pasta inside. Okay guys. Start a little bit there. Cover. Alright. Alright. So now I'm gonna tell you guys what I have here. Alright? Guys ready? Alright. I have here 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Alright, kosher salt guys. I have here 4 cloves of garlic to bring the flavor together. Alright guys, I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys also like black pepper, you guys don't have to use it. Alright, I have here a half cup of milk. I like to use this milk, but you guys can use that. Alright, so I have here 6 eggs. Beautiful eggs, right? Nice and big. Alright guys, I have a half cup of parsley. I have a half cup. Okay, I have 8 bacon. Alright, to bring the flavor together guys. Alright, here I have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, here I have 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Alright, Parmesan cheese guys. Also I have here a half cup of beans. Alright, half cup. And also I have, yes, I have here also, I'm gonna make also the garlic bread. I'm sure you guys like that, right? Last time I did, so I'm gonna make it again. Alright, so let's start. Alright guys, let's start that. I'm gonna start now with, I already put my pasta, it's cooking. So now I have my bacon. Alright, let's go. So the bacon, we just whoa, I love the sound. Sounds real good. Looking good, guys. Alright. Very good. Right. Good. Not heavy. Very good. So now I'm going to put a little bit and let's cook. Alright? Alright guys. Now my bacon is halfway cooked. Alright, so now my next step is gonna be my olive oil. Alright? My olive oil, you just pour all over. Alright? My next step now, I'm gonna go with my garlic. Alright guys, to give a good taste. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, so my garlic is just spread everywhere. Very good. Alright. I smell already the bacon, the garlic together. You know guys, now just mix it up. Let's finish cook the bacon. Alright? Okay guys, now you can see my bacon, my garlic, it's ready. So now I'm going to put in here and I'm gonna put here. Looking good. Looking good guys. Alright. Alright, let me put this for now. Now I'm gonna leave here for now. and I'm gonna start to cut in pieces. See that, guys? Cut in pieces, not too small, not too big. All right, and you keep going. All right. See, guys, that? Okay, guys. You can see here I still have my oil here. Okay, so this will stay here for a little while. So now my pasta looks like it's ready. All right, pasta looks like it's ready. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna need excuse me for a second. All right, very good. So I need 1 cup of water, the same water. Okay, 1 cup. All right, looking good. Looking good, guys. I'm gonna put right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna drain the water. All right, guys. See that? Now I drain all the water. My pasta is good, and now I'm gonna start with the processing. What I'm gonna do here? Okay, I have 6 eggs. Bingo. This 1, 2. All right. Very good. Looking good, guys. All right. Very good. All right. Now let me stir a little bit here. Right, looking good, guys. See, you have to stir a little bit the eggs, all right? Not too much, just a little. All right, now I like to stir, keep it stirring, right? So my soap, my cushion soap, guys. All right, that's my cushion soap. This is my black pepper. All right, bingo. Looking good. All right, guys. This is my milk. All right. Very good. It's looking good, guys. All right. So now my parsley. All right. Very good. It's looking good. Now it's my Parmesan cheese. I like to do it slowly. I like to put it slowly. Right? My Parmesan cheese. Slowly. Keep it stirred. Very good. Now I'm gonna mix my water. Okay, guys? With the water, 1 cup. Very good. Alright, keep it stirred. Keep it going. Slowly. That's good. Alright. It's looking good, guys. Alright, that's it. Very good. Look at that. Alright. Okay, guys. Now it's time. My pot is already preheat. Alright? So let's start to do this. This I'm gonna do is there. Slowly. Very slowly. Alright. Very good. So after that, I'm gonna put my bacon. Very good. Okay, next step, I'm gonna put my pasta. All right, with the ingredients. All right. Very good. And after that, the olive oil, the leftover. Okay, guys, you just put everywhere like this. That's looking good. Now, I'm going to stir. right? And that now has to cook, right? Maybe like for maybe 10 minutes, all right? All right, looking good. Looking good, guys. So now let's cook like 10 minutes. My next step, I have the bees. It's a half cup. If you guys doesn't like bees, you just don't use, all right? But I love it, and my family love it too, all right? So just put half cup, right? It's looking good. Let's stir a little bit. It's looking good, guys. Look at that. All right, very good. Okay, guys. All right, time now to do the garlic bread. All right, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. First, we start with the butter. You guys can use butter, or you guys can use Smart Balance, whatever guys want. All right, so let's go. Let's taste this bread. All right, with butter. Guys, listen, you guys have to make sure you guys put a lot of butter, right? A lot of butter, all right? And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. A lot of butter, all right? It's good. It's looking good. Okay, guys, now I have here 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I have here 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning to give that good flavor, right? And I have here 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. So let's start to do this. First, I'm gonna start with the garlic, all right? Make the garlic dancing, guys. Look. All right, make the garlic dancing. Looking good. Make the garlic dancing. All right, very good. Looking good. Smell already. All right, very good. Rest, put the other one. Looking good, guys. Very good. All right. Bingo. Next step, I'm gonna go with the Parmesan cheese. All right, guys. Let me take this way because I like to do this way. It's better. All right, sprinkle everywhere. All right. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. All right. Let me put that aside. The leftover, I keep everywhere. Very good. Right, right. My last step, guys, is the Italian season. Right, just sprinkle it everywhere so the flavor and the color comes together. All right, see the colors, guys? Beautiful, beautiful. Just sprinkle it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Very good. All right. Everywhere. Very good. See the color now? Beautiful. Alright, guys. See? Color? Very good. Alright. Okay, guys. Now, my oven is preheat for 350. Okay? This doesn't take long. Alright? You guys have just to watch. Alright? All the time. So that this goes very fast. Alright? It moves very fast. So, when you see it's crispy, you guys remove, alright? See you guys in a little bit. Woo! That's right, guys! Alright! Very good, guys. Hey, guys, show you, this is my final presentation. Alright? You guys like that? That looks good. Alright, this is my bread. Alright, so now let's try it. See try, guys. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Right? A bit more. Very good. So now, guys, you eat this with Parmesan cheese. All right? Parmesan cheese. You just add the Parmesan cheese in the top. For everyone, alright? And also, you guys like fresh pepper. I love fresh pepper. So you just very good. It's looking good. And also, guys, if you guys like a little bit salt, I usually like a little bit of salt. So I put just a little bit, not much. That's a sprinkling of salt, nothing else in that. Alright? So I'll let you know. Looking good. Okay. Guys, this is delicious. Don't be scared. Alright, guys. Now let me try my bread. Right? Wow, that looks nice and crispy. Bread, nice and crispy. Looking good, guys. Delicious, guys. Very good. This is good. Alright, guys. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.